Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Okay, here we go. There's Spam. It's another Spam recipe. We got a couple of cage-free eggs. We've got bacon. We've got cheese, that's Havarti. And we've got some bread. That's an Italian white bread. Mike Foster here. You know, I wanted to have a crazy sandwich. I wanted to get a little Spam and bacon together to see if I could, you know, get my cholesterol up. No. I'm not saying this is a healthy sandwich, but it's a fun sandwich. This is my killer fried egg, bacon and Spam sandwich. I'll meet you at the stove, put this baby together. On a medium pan, you're just gonna put the Spam down. That's about a ½ inch segments, and we'll cook this Spam up. This shouldn't take that long. This is on medium. I'm saying like a couple minutes on each side. Just take a look. Oh yeah, see that? A little brown. Another couple minutes on the other side. This baby will be ready. Let's take it out. It's not even that greasy, which is nice. Okay, we've cleaned the pan. I'm gonna add a little butter. Let's put those eggs down. Put one here. Put the other one right there. Oh yeah. Cook this a little below medium. Depends on your stove. Little pepper. That's all we need. Probably another minute on both of these guys. Then we'll give them a little flip. All right, little flipperoo. Again, browned up from that Spam. A little residue was still in that pan. I'm going to shut this off. Cover these both with some Havarti cheese. Then cover this guy up. I'm going to get that toast. I'll meet you over at the counter. Put this fine mess together. All right, fresh out of the toaster. Butter it up. Now let's put this killer fried egg and Spam and bacon sandwich together. Fried egg on one side. Fried egg on the other side. All right, let's get the bacon right here. All right, what's left? The Spam. Put that sucker this way. All right, here's the flipperoo. This is oh my goodness, look at this sucker. Give it the old press. Let's do the old sliceroo. I want this to be gorgeous. Here's the reveal. Oh, that's it. Oh. Close-up coming up. There is a close-up of that crazy sandwich. Fried egg, bacon and Spam. I don't think I can get... Oh, and there's cheese. Big bite coming up. You know, I got hungry today and I just wanted to make like a crazy sandwich, and I think this is the one. Oh my goodness, look at it. Oh. It's got the bacon, it's got the egg, it's got the Spam. Oh. Very savory. The bacon and Spam, they're fighting for attention. But guess what? That medium egg and the cheese is up for the task. Am I? One of those once-a-year sandwiches. Don't eat it again for 365 days. Speaking of 365, Live Life 365. Check it out. Subscribe to that YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, Spam. Peace.
Live life 365.
I like my Spam browned up. With cheese. I don't think I've ever done that before. Look at this mess I just made, guys. I don't know if there's any cheese here. Oh! This is delicious. I gotta take my pulse. Sodium. Actually, I'm not gonna say it's healthy for you, but it's sweet baboo, that's for sure.